ShipStation is a powerful shipping software that helps e-commerce businesses manage and streamline their shipping processes. Here's how to use it effectively. Create an account. Sign up for a ShipStation account at ShipStation.com. Choose a plan that fits your business needs and complete the registration process. Connect your sales channels. Integrate your e-commerce platforms with ShipStation. Go to the Settings tab, select Selling Channels, and follow the prompts to connect your stores. Import orders. ShipStation will automatically import orders from your connected sales channels. You can view and manage these orders in the Orders tab. Create shipping labels. Select the orders you want to ship and click on Create Labels. Choose your preferred carrier and shipping options. ShipStation will generate shipping labels for you. Print labels. Once labels are created, you can print them directly from ShipStation. Ensure your printer settings are correct for optimal label quality. Track shipments. After shipping, ShipStation provides tracking information that you can share with your customers. Monitor shipment statuses through the platform.